Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and the select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. Today in this video, I will be taking this canvas that I created for my daughter using an old canvas from Goodwill, and I just used household paint. I initially started spray painting it black and ran out of spray paint. There's the canvas above of what it looked like before I painted it, and below is the after. Like I was saying, I started spray painting it black, as you can see, ran out of that, and then I got some apple barrel acrylic white paint, started painting it with that and ran out of that. So I just took household paint that I had on hand, colors tan, gray, and white. And when you alternate, the colors mix and change colors, and that's how I got that effect. Well, I'm going to cover it in beads, and I got this inspiration from Denise Cooper of Be My Guest with Denise. She has done 3 artworks that I've seen so far. Her first one was a pink one that she did, was very beautiful in her master bedroom, and then this blue one that she did in her family room, and the latest one that I saw was her black one with pearls. That's what inspired me. She received her inspiration from LG Queen. LG Queen and her husband has made several of these, and I also saw the ones that she's made. I will leave the link to both of their channels in the description box below of these artworks that they did. But if you'd like to see what I did with updating what I've had, then just keep watching. Now here, these are the beads that I used on my artwork, including some black beads and pearl beads. I'll be showing you a video of everything that I used to update the art. But these packs are very small. I got them from Amazon and they were like $7 per pack. So I won't be ordering them from there anymore, at least not that size. I'll make sure I get a bigger pack. But again, I'll be showing you a short video clip of everything that I used to create this. Now here's everything I used. I got a gallon of Mod Podge, and then I got these 2 glitter mixtures that's already created. I got all of these items from Amazon, by the way. Here are the beads pack, and here are the black and the white pearl beads. Again, this is a gallon of Mod Podge, and I got some sponge sticks as well. The glitter Mod Podge that's in the bottle, one is gold and one is silver. It is very strong, so if you ever order these, you would need a mask or something on your face. Now, if you'd like to see how I took this previous DIY that I used house paint and glitter mixture to glue and updated it by using these pearls that I got from Amazon, then just keep watching. Now let's get started. First, I'd like to share with you the 3 different canvases that I got from Goodwill that I painted for my daughter. This is the one that I'm going to update, and then I'm going to show you one that is hanging on a wall vertically. This is one that's horizontally. This is one that I also made or painted. Again, these are canvases that I got from Goodwill. They used to be an old picture and I painted over them. And this is another one. I like this one because it has more of craters in it and it's more 3-dimensional. But I used the same paint and glue glitter mixture on all 3. They just all came out looking different. Same color schemes. I used household tan, gray, white paint, and some acrylic black paint. And then I used a glitter glue mixture using silver glitter and gold glitter. Okay, now we're ready to get started. I'm just brushing the silver glitter glue mixture on the canvas. No special pattern. It's just being brushed on there, and then I'm going to sprinkle the beads throughout. I cover the bottom all the way up to the middle. I don't go all the way to the top. I'm just randomly doing it, and then just wherever the beads land, they land. Some of the beads I take my time and face them up because they're all flat back beads except the silver and the gold. And for those of you who have never used Mod Podge, it does dry clear. So the only thing that you'll see when it dries is the glitter. And again, this Mod Podge that's already mixed with the glitter, for some reason it is very, very strong. It's not a bad odor, but it's very potent. So it's best to wear a mask if you're going to purchase this and use this. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.